In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in QuickBooks Online. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account and opening the home page. From here, look for the More Options icon, the row of 6 dots, or the All Apps menu, depending on your layout. Hover to expand it, then navigate straight to Payroll. If you don't see Payroll, make sure your subscription includes QuickBooks Online Payroll and that you have the right permissions. Admins and payroll managers will have access. Inside Payroll, open the Employees section. This is where your team list lives, and it's also where you can create new profiles. Click Add an Employee to launch the setup screen. QuickBooks will guide you by highlighting the fields you need to complete. Click into the first highlighted area and enter the basic profile details. Keep everything consistent with your HR records, especially the legal name and work location, because those drive payroll taxes and reporting. Move to the next highlighted field and complete the employment information. Add items like the hire date and, if prompted, the primary work location. Accurate dates help with first paycheck eligibility and benefit tracking. Continue to the following highlight to set the pay schedule. Choose the schedule your company already uses, weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly, so this employee is included in the correct pay runs automatically. Click the next highlight to specify compensation. Select whether the employee is hourly or salary and enter the regular rate or salary amount. If your company uses additional earnings such as overtime, bonuses, or commissions, be sure they're enabled under earnings so they calculate correctly during payroll. Proceed to the next highlighted area for tax and pay method details. Confirm the appropriate federal and state tax settings based on your records and select how the employee will be paid. If you use direct deposit, ensure you have accurate banking information on file before the first payroll. If you prefer paper checks, verify the check date and numbering conventions in your payroll settings. When all highlights are complete and everything looks correct, finish by selecting Add Employee to save the profile. QuickBooks will add the new team member to your employees list, and they'll be ready for your next payroll run. You can return to the profile at any time to edit details like compensation changes, updated addresses, or new deductions. That's it. You've added an employee in QuickBooks Online quickly and cleanly with the right setup for smooth payroll processing.